What crashed?
The train tracks.
How long was the train tracks?
It crashed. Crashed.
What happened? What happened?
Give me that.
No. You not touch this.
Give me that.
No.
Give me
Hey, go find me a train that can run on a track. We've got cargo to take.
a cargo.
Yes. Do you know a canoe that can float on a lake?
Cassie?
Do you want to touch lake?
Yes.
Do you like trucks?
Yes.
He
Wait.
is the leader of our offense.
You like them?
Let me see the way.
Will you tell me what the story of the three little pigs is about?
It's about the big bad wolf.
And what happens?
The big bad wolf broke your house.
Uh-huh.
Made of bricks.
Now, what happens to the house made of bricks?
The wolf can blow it down.
He can't blow it down, no?
No.
And what about the other houses? Does he blow the other houses down?
Yes. And the three pigs.
What does the wolf want to do with the pigs?
Yes. What happened to them?
Does he want to eat the piggies?
Yes.
Does
We'll eat the pig.
he come disguised as a sheep?
Yes. He got sheep.
And does he knock on the door?
Yes.
And does he use false voices and try to trick the piggies to open the door?
Yes. They try go.
He knocks on the door, and what does Big Bad Wolf say?
He ready to come in.
He ready to come in? Does he go, I'll huff and I'll puff?
He blew your house.
Are you acting like the Big Bad Wolf? Come in.